under their curse.
Four-door wine lineup. This ancient coil. Old time filler. Solenoid thermostat. All right, Mr. Tippin's kind of behaving, just leaning a little bit. I think that counts as a win. All right, let me grab Tippin's, some gauges, my extension ladder. We're gonna get up on the roof up there. Here's our unit. Definitely low on charge. Get gauged up on it here. This one's 134A. Let's get a gauge on it. 2,000. Oldie but a goodie. We're gonna need to wash the condenser on that one. Let's check. We did the freezer one over here, and we did the walk-in years ago. Right here. Time for a washout. Coils washed up. Put all three of those while we're here. Let me get a gauge on this thing. Stand by. Turn these dudes on. Smelly tech. Nope. Time for a zero out. Okay, that looks good. Good and zeroed. Okay, yeah, we're low on charge. You'll see the hook in here. I didn't put the red Loctite in here yet. I still got to do that for the hook on these, the threads. Okay, let's go get some gas. Get this thing charged up, and then we'll do a little leak sniff. Suspicions would be that evaporator coil. All right, I got the gas. I added some gas. We got the sight glass cleared up. Get his product. My main reason I'm doing this is he wants his product working. And I know I got enough gas in there, then we could do a leak check. I'm gonna wash the coils out here real quick first. We could leak check up top. I'm gonna wash the coils. And then we'll go downstairs and check the evaporator section. Look who's still alive and kicking this sack of junk. Oh, Mr. Sanjo. Geez, dirty one. Dirty coil. Timer by the ocean here. She's pretty patinaed out good. yeah. Still using the Home Depot coil cleaner. They had them on clearance, on the clearance rack, so I bought a bunch of them. I was like, all right, we're gonna get this neighbor and that neighbor. And I did both of these condensing unit changeouts. Yeah, I did put a disconnect switch right there on top. Good job, NorCal Dave, you jackass. All right, let that one dry for a minute. That get to work. Whew. All right, so I got the the condenser washed out real good. Then this thing didn't want to start, and I took it apart and got to looking. Dude, start cap is jackered. Let's see if it reads any microfarads, but it's gonna get a new one. And it was having a hard time trying to start. And we'll see here. I gotta get a start cap on there. While I'm doing this, I'm working here at the liquor store. The neighbor right here at the Latin market, it got robbed. Look, they're getting statements. It was like 3 little fuckers came in here and robbed the guys. 3 of them. They pulled the car up right here. Went in and robbed the place. The driver, 3 of them went this way. And the driver doubled back when the owners went to go look for him. He got in the car and took off, a little black sedan. Fuck, dude. We can't have Santa Cruz turning into San Francisco. All right, star cord with 208 volts. So I take my suicide cord to plug into my star cord to scab the 208 volts, and then just common start run. Let's see if anything happens. She's a no-go. Oh, she lives. Look at that, it's a hard starter. So I need start components for this thing. See that? She's running. All right, YouTubes. I'm heading back out to the compressor job. I had to order the start components. They were not in stock. And so they had to come out of the Southern California area. One thing I skipped. I didn't think about mega ohming that compressor. That compressor might have weak motor windings, but I'm trying to save it for the guy instead of just sell a new unit. So we'll go put this current relay in, the start capacitor. I'm not sure if they sent me a new overload or not. Usually when you get them, you get all 3, but we'll go try this thing out and see if we can get this compressor to run. Yeah, I'll take the mega ohmer up there too, and we'll check it. So let's get back up on the roof there, and we'll see how we make out. Oh, and they caught those little suckers that robbed the store next door too. They caught them that night, those little jackasses. So that's an update on that part of it. So that was pretty good. Let's get back out here and see if we get this little compressor. I think the compressor's from the year 2000. We'll see if we can get this going. All right, I'm back up here at the job. You can see Tippin's already spilt over, and I picked him up. His guts are all out. I got the new start components, and I did bring the mega ohmer up here, and we'll check the motor windings on this thing. We'll see if we can get it running. So let me get cracking here. It's the Sog kilowatt electrician's knife. Wire strippers, cable slicer, strippers for bigger wire. It's a good knife right here. It's the one I use. I'll put a link in the description. But let's see what we got in the box. All right, looks like we just got the start cap is all this one has. Check out the microfarad rating on this one. This one's a banger. 64 to 77 microfarads. And this is our current relay right here. What's in your wallet? All right, let's do the megger. See how we make out. All right, connect it to ground. We're gonna try the common. Ooh, bad windings. Look at that. This thing's done. I'm still gonna see if it'll start for him, but I'll show him this video, but this compressor's got crappy motor windings. Let's go to the next one. You guys ready? Yeah. I'm just gonna find a new condensing unit for this thing, and I'll tell Felix it needs a new condensing unit. I should have meggered that the other day, and I didn't. Hey, and I'm just being honest. Sometimes we forget stuff, so it's a little 3/4 horsepower condensing unit here. There it is running. Even though it's got bad windings, I gotta let the customer know it's time to replace this condensing unit. But with the new current relay and start cap, the unit is running. Especially calibrated hands there checking. We'll see if the sight glass will come around and settle down. Because I know that box is hot down there. It's been off for a few days. Oh yeah. So let's let it work its magic here and see what happens. It's starting to calm down right now. Let it find itself. We'll probably end up with a clear sight glass here. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I need to get a photo of this. I'll get him a price to replace this condensing unit. Because we know the motor windings are bad. That's why it's having a hard time starting. If you like the video, do me a huge favor. Let's help out that algorithm and let's give that thing a big thumbs up. Smash the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe. It always helps a brother out. And got any comments? Leave a comment. Let's check out the comment section. Bang that comment section, and I try to reply to everybody if I can. Can cold check. Oh yeah, she got a load on her. There, she's all adjusted up. For the new guys, sometimes you see the sight glass flashing. You just need to let it run. Let it run for a while. Settle down, find itself. TXV will adjust and your sight glass will go clear. It's doing it. Right there. Lives to fight another day.